Okay, description list time. The whole list gets surrounded with the DL. I don't know why I'm in the habit of doing the DL first where I do the other ones last, but you know, I am. Also, because I was using Beautify, I'm going to have to search for the capitalized terms here, but we'll cross that bridge in a minute. Okay, one at a time. Chocolate. This, I think, is supposed to be the term. I don't love putting this all in caps, and I mean, it's okay. There's so many clients who say, "Oh no, you know, I want all of the, you know, I want this term to all be in all caps." And it's a wonderful thing as a CSS programmer to be able to say, "Oh, don't go change it in your database or don't go change it in all your pages. I can just like write one line of CSS and make that change." So this is just to say preview for later. Don't worry about the case of your headings and things. You can always change that later with CSS. Okay, meanwhile, where the heck does this thing end? Here. This is the end of my DD, meaning that my DT starts here with butter. Okay, fortunately there's not that many of these. I don't think so anyway. Boy, hard to find inside this sugar. Should have done the formatting later, Valerie. DD. All right, here's my DD. And here's the eggs. DT for each term. I hardly ever use a description list. I think most web designers would agree that it's pretty rare. But in the interests of you getting a thorough HTML education, here you go. Description list. I'm just going to say that this is also probably a term. Substitutions. I can't try this recipe because I'm gluten-free, but it sounds delicious. Okay, save. And refresh. Ooh, that looks glorious. Love it. Okay, there's our definition list. Before I get to self-congratulatory here, I am going to run the validator to see how I did. Command A, Command C, paste into the validation window, and check. Yes. Okay, done.